So let's assume at this point you are ready to record. Your ghost is perfect. Your ghost waves. Your ghost has triggers that work. But how do we actually do it? Very simple. First, make sure your puppet is armed. That means it has to have the red dot in front of it. Also, all these other things should be armed. Your eyes, the dragger, all of that stuff. Then what you're going to do is you're going to press the red record button and then just record your take. It's called a take. That's what it's going to say down here below. Now, I don't know if this will work with me recording with two things at once, but we'll try. All right, so I'm going to press record. It's going to count down. Hello, I am a ghost, and I am waving at you because ghosts love to wave when they're not shooting lightning bolts or telling people boo. Yes, that's me. I'm a wonderful ghost. Yay! Okay, and then I hit stop. Okay, so down here at the bottom, we can see my audio, and there it is. This was my second take because I recorded one without you. And so you'll see dragger handle. So this tells you that's when I used my dragger. Eye gaze, it's got my camera input. My face movement, it's got my camera input. Lip sync, there's my audio input. But then if you look down here closely, and I'm going to zoom in, you can see what mouths that it used. So if you really felt like, man, that mouth doesn't look right, that should be a different letter, you actually can right click it and you could change it to one of your other mouths, okay? Provided you have those mouths. So that's just a fun little feature there that you can know about. You can go in and do that. If you had things that were happening and you wanted to, you could reposition those on your triggers. For instance, the lightning bolts. Let's say I change my mind and I want the lightning bolt to happen here. Well, just drag it over from wherever it did happen, and now it will happen here. Plain and simple. Same thing with boo. I would just have to go down to find when that happened. And if I wanted it to happen sooner, make it happen sooner. If I don't want it to happen as long, shorten the length. It's really quite simple to edit the take when you're done. One last little edit I'm going to do is I'm going to keyframe it so our character moves across. So right now this is about 12 seconds or so. If you've ever done keyframing, you might have familiarity with this. Under transform, just like we talked about position, we're going to arm this so that it moves while it's going. So basically all you have to do is scroll to where you want it to start on the timeline, just scrub, and let's say position X. I'm going to hit to the left of position X and hit the stopwatch. That puts a little diamond there. Then where do I want it to move to and how far? Like later. So scoot over to later. Let's say over here I want it to be by the trees. So now I just need to change the position here so that it's over there by the trees. And now, see the two diamonds? Starting point, ending point. And now it goes. You can press the space bar to play, or you can press the play button. There it goes. It's playing through. There it moves from the keyframe to the other keyframe, gets into its position. Bam, there we go. So that's it. And now I have recorded a take. Now, if this take was awful, you could actually click on any of these lines to delete them. So that's always an option as well.